Next up. What's up, guys? Say hi to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
You guys want to introduce your channel?
Oh yeah, check out our channel. What's it? LMCFLIPZ.
And what is your channel about?
Flips
and trampoline.
Tutorials.
Nice.
Everything you need.
Anything else? You want to say peace?
Peace. Dude, the back up to your knees. Wait. Did you see that? Oh, that.
Where's Penny when you need her? You heard?
Oh my god. The front flip.
Ooh! That was a good fast flip.
Try a front flip to your stomach. Like front flip and then land on your stomach. Oh! I messed up the...
You're too low.
Yeah. Try like a high front flip to your stomach. Dude, that was close.
Mia, you front flip right when you get to the ground.
Yeah, that's a workout.
Yeah.
I'm already tired. How long do you guys, what's the record you guys been on here? An hour?
Yeah.
But you get off and rest though, right? You don't go straight.
I would get off and then he would get on and then she would get on. You were on here at one time for like an hour.
You guys are amazing.
Yesterday I jumped on here after practice. My legs.
Your legs are done?
Yes.
Wow.
Ready? I'm Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man does whatever a spider can.
Trick.
Jumps on a trampoline, it's easy.
It's hot.
Woo!
I love ramen in the thing. I love eating the noodles. Oh, it actually
You love what?
eating the noodles. And ramen.
From here.
She misses.
Nope. Oh, but it's there.
You got a branch in there. Whoopsh, whoopsh.
Whoa. But the ball was underneath.
How long did it take you guys to put this up?
Like
Oh my gosh.
5 hours.
5 hours?
It took forever because we had to get all the legs and then all the parts were up
Do you
here,
have
so we had to
cologne?
take them down.
Did you guys help? Or
Yeah.
just watched?
We
It
did most
helped.
of the work.
You
Oh,
have cologne on. I
Yeah.
can smell it.
It's called coffee. Bruh. Yas! Nice jump. Flip. Woo!
What the?
Good job.
Oh.
You're not supposed to hit the camera, man. Ooh. And she landed on her back. Of course you make it that close.
I'll make it for you. I can make a. Oh, I'll make that football shot.
Make a granny shot.
I'll make a hike. Land it.
Right.
Oh! Oh, that was close. Woo! Bird. Woo!
Like,
If you could do it to your stomach and land on your feet, you could do it to your knee.
oh, scary. Sorry.
It's not scary, just do it back.
Ooh!
I'm not doing that with my hand.
It's not scary.
Nice.
But when I land, I'm like this. How would I do
Okay,
it?
go, jump forward.
If I do a front flip, I land like this, straight on my head.
No, you wouldn't.
I think I do.
Then land it on the back. I'm gonna shoot it.
Right.
Go across the bridge. It's stable. It's really stable. Then go on the rocks. Bro,
Bruh. We're not in Kansas anymore.
get back.
Woo!
I saw that on the video.
My turn. Yeah. What'd I do?
I don't know. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Michael Jordan.
Edit that. Cut that.
Oh wow.
Almost. Alright, ready? Cat flip.
Oh wow.
Okay. Dog flip.
Dolphin.
Dog flip.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. This is Penny with you.
What else?
Okay, guys, I saw all your tricks. Great job. Any last words for people, you know, beginners learning the trampoline? Anything you want to share?
Don't die.
That's good advice.
Don't land on your neck.
That's good
You
advice.
gotta send it, because if you're just flipping and you go like this, okay. Then no.
Mm-hmm.
But if you send it, you could do amazing tricks like this.
Wow. So basically, you have to be confident,
Yes.
right?
That's cool.
And anything you want to say last?
Be careful.
Oh, that's good. And shout out your channel one more time.
LMCFLIPZ. LMCFLIPZ.
Like and subscribe, guys. All right, good job, guys. Peace.